Target for 10 you here. 60, 85, 1685, 1685, $1,685 well done. Go to John Murphy's order.
Today, a smaller yarding here at Carcoar. The few good black steers sold extremely well. 300 kilo black steers making to $1,120 or $30, so about $365 a kilo. The second cut of those cattle weighed 285 kilos, making 1,100 again, so up to about $385 and $90. Best cow and calf units up to 2,300, and plenty of cows making 18 to 2,000. Once again, cows and calves probably look pretty good value in comparison to the rest of the market. Pretty strong overall.